Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to adjust grid lines on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adjusting grid lines in Wix can help you align elements more effectively and improve the overall layout of your website. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the Edit Sites to open the Wix editor. Now, once you are inside the Wix editor, the grid lines are the dotted lines here, which shows where your section and layout starts and ends. Alright, so these are going to be like the vertical grid lines. Now, for you to be able to adjust the grid lines, all you have to do is click the tools option here, where you want to use while you design your website. If you do that, we would be able to see the grid lines here. Alright, you see that? Grid lines and toolbars. Now, for you to be able to adjust it, all you have to do is right click on it, and there's going to be the quick edit section. You see that? You can section background, you can choose the layout, and a lot more. You can put in the task mask, change in everything right here, and of course you can change the image as well. Now, let me click on the tools again. If you put in the rulers, you'd notice that there's the value for your grid lines. It starts with 0 and ends around like 900 or 1000 or 190 to be exact. And if you want to adjust the grid lines, all I have to do is, let me just use that and use the grid lines instead. So these are some of the ways for you to adjust grid lines. And of course, if you don't want the grid lines itself, click on Tools, eliminate the grid lines here if you don't want to show it. All right, so that's one of the ways for you to be able to do that. Now, the idea is that adjusting grid lines on your Wix website significantly enhance your design process and the overall look of your site, because grid lines are here to make sure this is where you can work around with your website. It helps establish a clear visual hierarchy, guiding users' eyes to important content. And when you adjust grid lines, it allows for uniform spacing between elements, making the layout more visually appealing. Alright, with the grid lines, you spend less time manually adjusting positions, allowing for quicker design changes. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.